isn't it grabbing it? It's on it. Stop wiggling. Stop shaking. Okay, it stopped. It hit the thing, so it stopped. Oh my gosh. They started it too early. We got a penalty. Yeah, Joaquin. Yeah, Joaquin. Dang. Dang. Dude, no, because look, our arm's not wobbly since we took off the servo dude button now. Look, when he goes up, you'll see it doesn't bounce anymore. Oh, look, look, too. Oh, take it from him. Take it from him. Look, look, look. No bounce. Oh, he dropped it. Open the gripper! Open the gripper! Never gets to open. Come on, you need more. You need more. You need about 6 more. Open the gripper. Let's just open it. Don't waste your samples. Don't waste your cycles. Make sure it's in there before you drop it. Yep. Good job, Joaquin. Slow and steady. Yep, come on, there's a bunch of red in front of you. Come on, come on, come on. You have at least one more. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Oh, he sold. Go Bart, go Bart. Careful. Go reverse.